Only hours ago, concept art showing the new Inside Out attraction coming to Disney California Adventure Park was finally revealed, and let me tell you, it actually looks pretty interesting. We've also gained some more information regarding the name and opening date of this new attraction, so for the full inside scoop and observation, please stick around after this introduction. Hello everyone, it's Inside Disney here, finally with another news report, and in this news report, we'll be observing the concept art released of the new Inside Out attraction coming to Pixar Pier. Before we begin, however, remember to leave a like and subscribe to us to catch up on what's new at Pixar Pier or at the Disneyland Resort. You can also check out our Instagram, which can be found in the link below or at Inside Disney Official. With that said, let's get into all the new details. So to begin with, the name of this new attraction will be Inside Out Emotional Whirlwind. And here's the concept art revealing how this new ride will appear as. So the first thing we can see is the main entrance sign, consisting of the logo of the attraction, as well as statues of both joy and sadness. After that, we have the queue of this attraction, which seems to consist of 5 different canopies, each depicting of a particular emotion from Inside Out. For instance, the red canopy would depict anger, then the blue canopy would depict sadness, and so on. It also looks like the areas surrounding this attraction will be themed after the long-term memory scene shown in the Inside Out animated film. Lastly, we've got the structure of the entire ride itself. So the first thing I noticed is that this attraction will actually be using the same structure as Flix Flyers, but I'll be more specific about that in just a bit. After that, we can see that the ride vehicles are box-looking items hanging from flying memory orbs. It also appears as if the colors of each ride vehicle will also be depicted from a particular character from Inside Out, just like the canopies from the queue. So going back to when I pointed out that the structure of Flix Flyers will be used for this attraction, here's why. The component that helps support the ride vehicles rise and spin looks exactly the same as Flix Flyers, especially since we can see 2 items that look like a yogurt cup and a tinfoil pot. Lastly, the ride vehicles themselves look extremely similar to those of Flix Flyers, except that the ride vehicles for Flix Flyers hang from stitched leaves, whereas the Inside Out Emotional Whirlwind ride vehicles hang from memory orbs. And now, here's the opening date that you've probably been wanting to hear already. The opening date of this attraction is scheduled to be sometime in 2019, which may indicate that this attraction will open alongside Jesse's Critter Carousel or Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. So with that said, I would like to know what you think about the new Inside Out Emotional Whirlwind attraction coming to Pixar Pier at Disney California Adventure Park. Leave your thoughts in the comments section down below. And another exciting news, today, June 23rd, 2018, actually marks the grand opening of Pixar Pier. From the looks we've been given from Media Day and the premiere party yesterday, Pixar Pier looks amazing and is extremely different from the former Paradise Pier. Along with Pixar Pier, the Incredicoaster, the Pixar Pal-Around, Lamplight Lounge, Jack Jack Cookie Num Nums, Poultry Palace, Senior Buzz Churros, Angry Dogs, and the new games of the Boardwalk all make their grand debut to the general public today. Are you excited about Pixar Pier opening? Let us know in the comments down below. And now, it's that time again where we've reached the conclusion of a news report. So, if you enjoyed this news report, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more updates regarding Pixar Pier or the Disneyland Resort. And if you love Disneyland Resort photography, then you should probably check out my Instagram, which can be found in the link below, or at Inside Disney Official. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves, and have yourselves a great one.